Have you ever come across an online fashion store that looks too perfect to be true? Trendy outfits, big discounts, and polished social media pages, and wondered if it's actually worth your money? That's exactly what I thought when I discovered herein.com, a women's fashion website claiming to offer everything from elegant dresses and cozy outerwear to stylish tops and accessories. At first glance, Yohers looks like a dream store for anyone into fashion. The website is modern, fast, and easy to browse, and it even lists multiple ways to reach them, including email, phone number, a physical address, and live chat, which adds a layer of credibility many scam stores lack. Plus, Yohers isn't brand new. The domain was registered back in December 2023, and they've already built a decent social media presence with over 4.9K Facebook followers and 11K Instagram followers. However, while everything looks good on the surface, digging deeper raises some mixed feelings. Some product photos seem to resemble images used by other online stores, which makes you question originality and product sourcing. There's limited real customer feedback available, and the few that exist are inconsistent. Some people mention good delivery times, while others complain about sizing and quality issues. The pricing also feels a bit too tempting, especially for products that appear high-end in the photos. Yohers.com isn't an outright scam, but it's not a fully proven brand either. It falls somewhere in the gray area where it looks trustworthy enough to attract buyers, yet lacks the solid reputation to guarantee satisfaction. So, before you spend your money, it's smart to be cautious. Maybe start with a small order first to test the waters and see if Yohers.com truly delivers what it promises.